What's up guys, Randy Castor from One Up Racing, standing in front of a wall of Pro Pit mats so big, Trump says Mexico should pay for them. The problem is these are not meant to be a border, but they are taking up a ton of space in my garage, so I'm asking for your guys' help to take some off my hands. We worked hard to improve the already great material used on my original premium pit mats and ended up with a blend that feels even more dense to the touch, but is 20% lighter weight, which is great for those of us who travel to races. These are also only 3 millimeters thick, so they roll up tight and take up less space in your pit bag. My brand new servo mounting screws are also now available. These are machined from incredibly strong United States 7075 T6 alloy and finished with black anodizing and a mirror-like silver chamfer. These feature a tighter fit in the servo ears so the servo won't shift on hard impacts. They look great and you're going to get incredible life out of these. Last up are my carbon fiber protective body washers. I originally made these for sedan bodies, but due to their popularity I've expanded the line and now offer sizes that'll work with 12 scale on-road, 10 scale off-road, 8 scale on-road, and 8 scale off-road. These are backed with extremely strong 3M adhesive, so installation's a breeze. Just peel and stick. You'll find all of these available now at oneupracing.com, and I always offer free domestic shipping on orders over $40. Thanks for your time, and I'll see you at the track.